Tulog siya. Oo. Kami ngayon guys sa La Union. It's because of si Ma'am Era at si Sir Jebad kasal na. Ikakasal na to doon. Wala daw. Hindi na kami naubo. Titignan daw nila kasi parang tinabi. Check, yung pagkain kasi kanina. Tinignan nila, check na lang kung meron pang naiwan. Kaso guys, hindi na kami naubutan ng food. Prepare pa sila dito sa likod. Ito yung buong place. Start daw ng 5 PM. Daw. Kasi titignan daw nila yung weather. Check daw nila. Kasi yung it's not suitable. Kasi mainit daw. Ayan. Si Jessica. Hindi sumama si Jericho guys. Groomsmen pa naman si Jericho. So, Ayan lang. Pag tinanggal ko ito mukha akong ano. Waiter. So update guys. Oh my god. Papunta kami ngayon sa aming hotel. Cafeteria yan. Punta kami ngayon sa aming hotel kasi kami mag-check-in. So this is my full outfit. This is how I look. Yan, restaurant. Tara, businessman. Ito naman, business one, pero yung office version yun. Nagbebenta sa ano, sa office. Nagtitinda ng ano yung...
Nagtitinda ng mga pa-order.
Order.
Lang, no?
Nagtitinda ng mga pa-order. Soen. So, this is the LU, guys. First time ko makapunta dito. Oh. Cute. I love this place.
Pledge themselves to each other in the covenant of the rite of Holy Union. What they mean to each other is obvious in their lives, but it is not easily expressed in the language of a ceremony. The rite of Holy Union symbolizes, can be the most intriguing of human experiences. For in anything else, love in its infinite manifestation is what life is all about. To share their lives, to encourage creativity, to inspire each other, to reach beyond the limits of the ordinary. Before us with your friends and family to affirm your choice that you have made of each other as a life's mate. By standing here before us, you affirm that it is your intention to establish a home and create a new family on the foundation of your love. Out of a tangled world you have been drawn together, I ask you now to declare your intention. Now, Joban, knowing of no reason why you may not be united with Era, do you find within you a special love for her? that convinces you that you want to spend the rest of your lives together?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Kala ko nagbago isip eh. Do you also find within yourself the courage and conviction to resist the many deaths by which love can die?
Yes, I do.
Are you willing to love her in her unique fullness and to take the risk and to accept the vulnerability of that love again and again and again?
Yes, I do.
Now, Era, knowing of no reason why you may not be united with Jovan, do you find within you a special love for him that convinces you that you want to spend the rest of your lives together?
Yes, I do.
Do you also find within yourself the courage and conviction to resist the many deaths by which love can die?
Yes, I do.
Are you willing to love him in his unique fullness and to take the risk and to accept the vulnerability of that love again and again and again?
Yes, I do.
Now, this is the heart and soul of the wedding, the exchanging of vows. You face each other, you hold each other, and you declare your promises for each other.
Hello, babe.
Ay.
Naalala ko yung panahon kung saan tayo nagsimula. May mga araw na masaya, malungkot, away, bate, pero lahat naman yun ay parte lang naman ng isang relasyon. Naalala ko, year 2019, nagdasal ako na sana ibigay na yung taong nararapat at makakasama ko habang buhay. Year 2020, binigay ka ni Lord. Magsimula 1 until now, magsimula day 1 until now, at sa darating na oras, araw, buwan, at taon, ikaw at ikaw lang iibigin at mamahalin ko. Hindi man ako yung taong perpektong magmahal, pero ibibigay ko ang 100% na pagmamahal na deserve mo. Madalas man tayong mag-away, madalas man tayong...
Dahil ikaw ang lakas ko. Ikaw nagturo sa aking lumaban muli at magbigay ng pag-asa. Doon nagsimula ang lahat. Sabay tayong nagdasal, sabay tayong nangarap. Ikaw naging lakas ko noong panahong halos wala na akong maibigay. Mula sa simpleng pagbebenta ng ukay-ukay, hanggang sa pagtatayo natin ng munting online business. Lahat ng yan, dahil pinalakas mo ang loob ko. Alam mong takot akong sumubok noon, pero ikaw ang nagtulak sa akin na maniwala sa sarili ko. Hindi ka bumitaw kahit pakiramdam ko wala nang naniniwala sa akin. Ikaw ang naging sandalan ko. Ang naging ilaw sa mga oras ng dilim. Ikaw lang ang naging kakampi ko. Ikaw lang ang naging bayani ng buhay ko. Kaya sa harap ng Diyos at sa lahat ng taong mahal natin, pangako ko, mamahalin kita sa lahat ng panahon kahit mahirap, kahit masakit, kahit may luha. Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala na magiging bride ako. Na ikaw na minsan lang naging kakulitan ko, ngayon ay magiging asawa ko. Naalala mo pa ba, babe? Babe, with this ring, I offer you my love. I offer you my strength. I offer you my support. I offer you my loyalty. I offer you my faith. I offer you my hope. This ring, receive and wear this ring, a sign of the covenant we have made here today in the sight of God and in the presence of our friends and family. Amen.
Now, Jovan, you will do the same, and please say after me.
Babe, with this ring, I offer you my love. I offer you my strength. I offer you my support. I offer my loyalty. I offer my faith. I offer my hope. Receive and wear this ring, the sign of the covenant we may have here today, in the sight of God, in the present of our friends and family. Amen.
Now may I call the veil, please. The veil is to symbolize to give each other room to grow. It's a covenant and not a contract. Covenants are flexible and dynamic, not static or carved in stone. You will not always be who or where you are today. You will grow in change, take and keep it in love. Yan ay pinipin sa damit, ha? Hindi sa balat. Thank you, bearers. Now may I call the cord, please. The cord is symbolized to remain friends. I know that your relationship is firmly rooted in friendship. It has its foundation in the rich environment of friendship, spending time together, exchanging ideas, discovering and exploring together a world of shared interest. The health of your relationship will always be measured by the state of your friendship. Take and keep it in love. Now I will bless the couple with the holy water. Bow your head to receive your blessings. I would like to close this ceremony with the blessings. Now you will feel no rain, for each of you will be shelter to the other. Now you will feel no cold, for each of you will be warm to the other. Now there is no more loneliness, for each of you will be companion to the other. Now you are two bodies, but there is only one life before you. Go now to your dwelling place, to enter into the days of your togetherness. And may your days be good and...
Ay, stop dance daw muna, stop dance.
Siyempre, hindi matatapos ang kasal kung walang makakakuha ng bulaklak.
May dance step. Alarma.
1, 2, 3.
Lang talaga guys. So first time ko maka-attend ng kasal, and hindi nasahan isa pa akong abay or groomsmen. Na-enjoy ko ang moment and thank you so much. And by the way, ngayon ko lang ito i-upload. Ayun lang. Sobrang busy and ang daming ganap, and right now may bagyo ngayon dito sa amin. So maulan. And ayun lang. Hope you guys enjoy, watch the video, and yan. That's all. Pero na ngayon lang to. First time. First time? Hindi. Sobrang busy lang talaga guys. Ang daming ganap sa buhay. Yan. Today, kasi rest day ko ngayong araw na to. So, kaya ko siya din naisipan. And marami pa akong kailangang i-edit na video din. Kailangang i-upload. And soon, sana maging okay na din lahat ng oras. Kasi sobrang busy talaga ngayong taong to. Yun lang naman. Thank you so much guys. And as you can see, kakagising ko lang din. Morning. Yan. Morning person na po ako. Hindi na ako tanghali na gigising. So, Ayun. So, I guess dito na lang muna itong video na ito, no? Wala mo ng outro kasi marami pa akong video i-edit pa or i-upload pa. So, bagan nyo na lang. Tapos, yung mga live. That's it, guys. Ayan. Bye-bye for now. I love you.